Fullerton Police,
over there,
dispatch tomorrow.
From the servers. I've caught him pulling on door handles over there too.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, Fullerton Police here.
I've the creepy homeless guy that looks like Jesus. His name's Kelly, roaming the parking lot, looking in cars, pulling on handles again, by the train station in front of Slide Bar.
Is that Dean Kelly?
Excuse me?
Dean Kelly? Is that who you're referring to?
I don't know. I just know him as Kelly.
The transient?
He's like redhead. Years ago, he used to walk around with a hatchet.
I don't know. Okay, the train station was side of the train station is on?
Directly in front of Slide Bar, next to the bus station.
So is he at the bus depot?
Yeah. He's like pacing through the cars and between each car. It's like he's on an obstacle course through the parking lot.
And your name, ma'am? Do you work there, or are you just a passerby?
Oh, I work at Slide Bar, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just walked out to my car, and he was walking towards me. I'm like, oh, God.
What's an employee?
Hurry.
What's a cell phone number for you? What's he wearing? What color shirt and pants?
He has no shirt on. He's wearing a backpack and blue jeans.
All right, we'll send somebody out.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. No problem. You too. Bye-bye.
Take care.